Hello everyone, welcome to our today lecture. In our today lecture, we are going to discuss that what is the difference between intercept and slope. Basically, intercept shows the average value of the dependent variable when all other variables are, and on the other hand, slope shows that the shape of the curve, or slope shows that responsiveness in dependent variable due to change in independent variable. So basically, in mathematical term, if we write a quantity demand function, quantity demand is equals to A minus BP. Here QD is the DV or the dependent variable, price is the independent variable. Here A is the intercept. So basically, intercept shows the average value of the dependent variable when all other variables are 0. So in this case, in this particular equation, A shows that maximum value of the demand when price is 0. Because in this equation, when we put here QD is equals to A minus B, we put P as 0. So the remaining amount will be A. So A shows the average value of the dependent variable when all other variables are 0 or when price is 0. On a graph form, on y-axis we are taking price and on x-axis we are taking quantity demand. So as we know that the demand curve is negative slope, so this is our demand curve. So at this point, this is our intercept A, because at this point price is 0, against this point price is 0 and demand is at maximum level. At this point price is 0 and demand is at maximum point, maximum level or maximum point. So this is our intercept, and slope is negative, as this sign shows that there is a negative relationship between price and quantity demand. So our slope will be negative. And slope also shows the degree of responsiveness, because it is possible that when there is increase in price, for example price increase by 5%, so it may be possible that demand decreases by 2%. So this is called a slope, that how much response is shown by demand due to change in price. This response may be equal to 1, maybe less than 1, or maybe greater than 1. That is depending upon the responsiveness. So we will discuss this topic in our elasticity of demand. But our today topic discussion was what is the difference between intercept and slope. So intercept shows the average value of the dependent variable when all other variables are 0. A slope shows the slow shape of the curve, that it is going to be negative or positive, or the degree of responsiveness in the dependent variable due to change in the independent variable.